Greetings, Pito women. We greet you in the mighty name of Jesus. We are beautiful as women. God created us for a purpose, for the reason that we are so beautifully designed. We are voluptuous and we are creative. My name is Tsingisisa Ngem Sonjani. Many calls me Sistringi. Some call me Tringi. I am the special programs coordinator in Pito municipality. I work under the office of the MM in the office of the executive mayor. My portfolio councillor is Councillor Monica Says from Bosseschef. So I come to you to talk about the Women's Month. Happy Women's Month, everyone. The Women's Month is gonna be different this year. It's not gonna be the same as always due to COVID restrictions and also due to the fact that we cannot turn a blind eye on the effect of COVID on many families, on many women and on many children. So due to that, we decided that we will host a food gardens for 700 women across Pito, where big communities like KwaNokuthula, I'm gonna quote them, KwaNokuthula, Nyo, Rising Cracks, Kransuk and Kolweni, we will select 100 women. But for small communities like Vededrift, Bosseschef, Pine Trees and Hakavel, we will select 50 women. So we will have food gardens for women that will be selected who are in real need. Please let us give each other a chance. Let us not take opportunities if we already have, because there are people who are affected severely. Some have lost the income, some have lost the source of income in the household. So we are bringing this as a short-term and medium-term plan to address the needs. So we will take 25 women for each project. So in KwaNokuthula, for instance, there will be 100 women, but there will be 25. So there will be 4 projects, 4 gardening projects. We have identified the pieces of land where it's available. We will work in collaboration with other departments, like departments of agriculture, the Department of Correctional Services, all our partners, and we will work hand in hand as internal structures like the CDWs, the public participation, and the councillors. So we will work together to make sure that we are united in addressing the scourge of COVID. So the dates will be as follows. We plan that we will come to KwaNokuthula on the 9th of August for those women, because we cannot have big gatherings. We cannot have gatherings of few women and leave out the rest. So we will just have small gatherings for those groups of selected women. So right now, we want you to apply for your community through your ward councillor, through your CDW and through your ward committee. Give your name if you are interested in taking part in the project. We will only select 100, but if we have more women, we will see what we can do. We won't turn you away, but we desperately need to do something for each other. Pito municipality is very committed to bringing a change, to bringing a smooth transition in this hard time. We know that the economy of this town is dependent heavily on tourism. So it is difficult to address that with short-term solutions, but this will bring a relief, a small relief. There will be issues like water, how to water the garden and all that. We'll provide training. We'll bring in other partners like business that will come and partake and help and make sure that the project is a success. The Department of Agriculture will provide training, and the municipality will provide the land and other resources. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. If you have any more questions, my office number is 044 501 3135. Alternatively, you can always contact us through Facebook, through all the social media pages. I thank you for listening. On behalf of our principals, on behalf of the government, I thank you.